Wagwan everybody, this is your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. You're watching the Fourth Official, that place and the only place you can get that Jamaican American views on football with a heavy bias towards Manchester United. And today again, we're coming to you back again with a heavy heart. We're still in the void here. We're still on duty. It's not going to change for a while, so the content will still be there. The quality might not, but the content might still be there. So bear with me, people. I want to thank everyone who's been subscribing, liking and sharing the video. I made a video, last video I made about Whitmore and his incompetence and him being a waste man, and I stand by that. An absolute waste man, and I unequivocally stand by that. I encourage anyone who don't agree with me, please let me know why in the comments. If you do, I'd also like to know if you echo my sentiments that that man should not be in the team. I'm going to take a different approach today again because I think it needs to be said. We need to put this out, and the Fourth Official has prized himself in one who doesn't really hold back when something needs to be said. I owe anyone anything. I'm not begging anyone anything. So I'm going to say what needs to be said. And in my perspective, this needs to be said. So I'm going to say it. And I'm taking off the gloves now, a straight knuckle. Taking off the gloves. The JFF out here, see? Instead of them being the governing body of football, the JFF are trying to run football in Jamaica. They might try to coach the team at the same time. They might try to pick players at the same time. How that makes sense? Understand something. The JFF job in the constitution supposed to be to develop football, encourage promotion of football in the country. Not supposed to pick the team, coach the team. We need to figure out what's going on with the JFF and the deals that they're making with these players. Why is the JFF offering players contracts? What's within these contracts? Is it guaranteed play time? Is the coach, however, have to pick certain players? Is that why all of the players that came from England that trained together with Paul Hall, all of them automatically started in that game, regardless of system, formation, players, player type? Players supposed to complement each other. We are happy that we have these players within our ranks, but obviously some of them should not be playing in the same team at the same time. Like, why would you play DJ and Ravel without a CDM? You know why? Because they'd have to find space with Kemar Roof, you'd have to find space with Bobby Reed, you'd have to find space with Mikel Antonio. That is not a team playing with a system, fam. That's a team playing with 11 man. Which means the coach is not there to coach, he's there as a figurehead. Whitmore is a puppet, and I told you that already. You remember Pinocchio and the puppet master? Yeah, the Pinocchio having puppet master and Whitmore that. So the JFF come in, stand up and say, yo, jump. And Whitmore say, yes, master, how high? Like, what? How is it that a system works like that? These men don't deserve our passion blood. I'm going to say this right now. The JFF, the Jamaica Football Federation, does not deserve the passion of the Jamaican population when it comes to football and our tradition and our love for the game. They don't. Because these men are playing games with things. I mean, tiddlywinks are going on it. Understand this. Somehow, somewhere, we need to know what is going on in these player contracts and these agreements. Is the JFF talking to these players saying, hey, we're worried about COVID. We know you can't go into Costa Rica and Mexico, but come to Jamaica, we're not red. Play against Panama. You're guaranteed to play against Panama, and then you can go back. It wasn't a case of come and join the team and, you know, be a part of the team, which means there's no guarantee to play. You give these men guarantors, making sure that they know they have to play. So regardless of the player and the player type, Wes Harding playing right back. Why? Because they have to fit him into the team. DJ Ravel Mariso playing CM without any sort of protection for the back line. Yeah? Because they had to play. They're not going to waste a trip from England to come here and not play. Bobby Reed, where did he play? Kemar Roof, what was that? A 4-2-4? That's exactly what that was, a 4-2-4. So formations really don't matter in this team because we don't have a system. We just put out 11 man out there and tell them to go play tennis. Andre Blake hit the ball up in the air, hopefully drop on Antonio's shoulder or him chest, and then just nod it off, give Bobby Reed a Roof, and hopefully something happen. That was the team talk before the game. There's no way you can tell me otherwise. People, Theodore Whitmore is not the coach. Theodore Whitmore is a figurehead, a puppet, a scapegoat. JFF is running the show. And because of that, our focus needs to also be on the JFF. So while we talk about Theodore Whitmore, and I will continue to say he should not be there, I will continue to say that Theodore Whitmore, you need to walk away. The man them I use you as a scapegoat. I mean, I don't know if I the money. I don't know if I the job security why you're still there. But you need to walk away. Save yourself as much as possible. You have done enough now so that you can secure a position on Flow TV. If you comment upon games every week, you can secure a position upon TVJ. You can secure one of them positions. You go turn pundit, Theodore. Go turn a pundit, but leave the coaching job. Leave this coaching job. It's not doing you any good. JFF out here playing games. And then next people, we need to move our focus to the JFF and getting rid of these man. We need to start sending letters to Phoenix Academy right now, asking Craig Butler to hurry up and putting him on to become the leader of the JFF. I don't care who the leader is right now. I don't really care for man. What I do know is that we need to get competent footballing people in the JFF. Now, at one point, I thought I heard Craig Butler was not interested in this in the job. But we know as a people that we have the power to get certain man out of the job and to get Craig Butler in. And any other one who's qualified and competent enough to do the job, fam. That's where I am at right now. That's where my head is. I need people to join in and make me know what you think. We are going to start a long and grueling process of creating a petition and change.org. Right? A petition that's going to request FIFA and possibly CONCACAF come in and investigate the JFF, because one can only assume that there's got to be something nefarious going on, especially in these player contracts that they offer. I've never heard of a national team offering players contract. I've never heard of a national federation offering a national team contract. I could be novice. If that's the case, please let me know in the comment section. But this is the first time I've heard of a national team offering players contract. You offer them the opportunity to play for the country, and if they do, they do. What's this contract thing? What is this contract thing? What is this guarantor? Because when you sign a contract, you're guaranteed something, you know. I give you this, you give me that. What is the JFF giving these players? What are these players giving the JFF other than the opportunity to play for them? Are these players getting a guaranteed playing time kind of situation? If that's the case, isn't the coach and his staff Armstrong? Because these players are guaranteed 90 minutes, 80 minutes. So you have to start 6 attacking players, 4 defenders and 1 keeper. Just forget about the midfield. Neglect the midfield altogether. People, let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is not even a preview for the Costa Rica game. Because I really can't really preview the Costa Rica game. We're going up against a team of an average age of 50. And there's no guarantees that we're going to win. I know I'm hearing that Whitmore calling 50-year-old to come play for the team too. So finally they realize they need a CDM, so Javon Watson is now in the team. Like, they didn't know you need one before. It was 39 and 54 days the last time we played. Now I'm at 39 and 57 days. Him and 3-day old line could have done on the team. You guys around the JFF, you're man disgusting. You guys need to leave. For the love of God, you don't need to leave. For the love of the game, you need to leave. You man, they in there for line your pocket though. You guys are not in it to win it. You guys are in it for line your pocket and make money. You guys need to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been the 4th official. You guys have been awesome. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share the thing. Take care of yourself. Take care of others. Wear a mask. Manaz.